Bayview Motor Club has teamed up with Supercar Club Garage. Damn, look at this, man. Crazy turnout. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Today is Independence Day, so you know what that means. We're going to be headed out for a drive. Bayview Motor Club has teamed up with Supercar Club Garage, or Supercar Club, and we're going to be headed out to the garage right now. Mr. Singhania was nice enough to, put together an event for all car enthusiasts. Got all the permissions done. Let us use his venue. And yeah, it's going to be a fun time. Imran and Hormaz, everyone, all the boys are going to be out. And it's going to be a long drive, a big route. So we got Rual in the other car grabbing some sick B-rolls on the way till Supercar Club Garage. So yeah, let's see how today goes. I hope everyone's safe and we have a safe drive. And happy Independence Day. So we're here right now at the Supercar Club Garage. Beautiful facility by Mr. Gautam Singhania. Once again, shout out to him for hosting us, man. This is really big what he's doing for us. A big thing for the car community. And we got all the boys here as well. Homie?
Boys played well.
Boys played well?
Are playing well.
All gonna play well?
All gonna play well.
So what's in the forecast for us today?
Bright sunny day. Lots of fuel gonna be wasted. So yeah, we're gonna have a killer parade.
Jane, any words?
No, bro, no words, bro.
Are the boys gonna play well?
Yeah, mashallah, boys played well, bro.
Change the language. Here's where we're gonna have the breakfast, and here's the setup, man. Really shout out to the Supercar Club Garage. What an amazing job. Look at this. What an event. What do you think, Billy? What do you think?
I love it, bro.
Yeah?
Sick.
assuming all the drivers are in here, we're gonna start from obviously the gate we entered from. We're gonna exit from there. We're gonna occupy 2 lanes of the road. We're gonna leave the fast lane totally empty. Please do not obstruct any traffic on the road. Do not fight on the road. Do not get into any altercations. If you're stopped by any traffic officials, please do stop. Do not run. You will be assisted by someone from the team who will sort it out. There are permissions from the Thane Commissioner, the South Bombay Commissioner, the complete Mumbai Police, and from Navi Mumbai. The idea of this drive, again, I'm highlighting, it's a parade. It is not a race. We're not racing. We're not making a noise on the road. All the boys with pops and bangs, please, I just request you all, today is not the day for pops and bangs. We want to go civilized. We want to put on a show for the city, and especially for the police, because as you all know, when we get out for drives, we're the target. Let's show them that we can do it civilized, we can do it in a manly form, and we can do this well. Guys, once again, thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you so much for respecting the rules. And thank you so much for respecting everyone who's made this possible. Final request. Please, please, please respect the security on the road and respect one another driving. This is not a race, it's a parade.
Catch the thing mayhem behind us, but insane. So we're finally on our way now. A little unorganized chaos. We need to get it organized, but we're trying to figure it out. There's a lot of cars, and of course people don't listen to instructions. There's a lot of spectators trying to follow us and stuff and screwing up the parade. So I just hope everyone's safe and no mishaps happen. Thanks for some people like this Kia just randomly joining our drive. It's a showroom test drive car. I don't even know who this is, but Shaw Kia, guys, your employees are ruining this drive for us. GTRs in the front, so sick.
Exactly, so sexy. Oh my god.
That's a new Lotus EV SUV has joined us, and so far so good. A little unorganized, but what can we do?
1 hour later.
So finally we're on the ceiling, halfway done our drive. It's 1 o'clock. Boys are doing decent. Everyone's keeping in a line, and you know, following the rules. No one's going above 80, because you know we follow rules as car enthusiasts. So yeah, let's see how it goes in Thane now. How did the drive go? Can we please get a few words?
Mashallah, the boys played well.
And what else?
And I think everything went smoothly.
We finally did it.
Did the boys play well?
Alhamdulillah, mashallah, the boys played very well.
So finally we're back from the drive. Just lining everyone up. Got an OG in the house. Amit, what's up, bro?
Great show, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Just lining it up now with all the cars. Whew, that was a long journey. So guys, finally we came to this beautiful day comes to an end, and Imran, big shout out, man. Seriously putting it together, brother.
Thanks to
Too
my
good.
boys and my brothers all saying we should do a drive.
Yeah.
That I came and actually spoke to Irfan Bhai. Irfan Bhai obviously supported us the minute we said it. Went ahead, made sure we had all permissions.
Permissions, parking, security.
Everything. We had everything from hospitality to
Honestly,
parking
how
to permission.
things that can go wrong, everything went well. Like
We had breakdowns, they had technical and mechanical support, they
Flatbed
sorted
ready,
cars out, we had
ambulance,
flatbed ready, 2
3 ambulances.
Yeah, 2 or 3, yeah. 5 pilot cars. And a big shout out to Mr. Singhania for really
big
making
thanks.
this possible. Though he wasn't here, he's gone all out for us as a community to do what we love doing.
Nothing spared.
And today I can honestly ask everyone, if anyone ever says somebody does things for themselves, this gentleman has done nothing for himself over here. He's done it for 109 cars that came to this event.
The 500,000 plus people.
We had about 1,500 to 2,000 visitors who came in, spectators watching. We had a whole road show, we had a parade. Everything went well. We were all in order. And a big shout out to every participant who actually stuck by the rules, made it possible for it to happen. And of course, a big shout out to Santi for always being the one who calls me and pokes me to go ahead and do something.
Who's got to do it for the community.
Yeah,
You know?
so he's the one who actually called and said, hey, let's do a drive. Let's do Bayview Motor Club. And that's how we collaborated with Supercar Club. Supercar Club came on as title sponsor, and they took care of everything for the community.
Everything, a lot more to come.
Yep, we're going to be doing a lot more now, a lot more action. I got some drifting gonna happen tonight. And we're going to be back with a lot of more events now as a real car club.
So stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon, Emmy. Thanks,
Love it.